pull up, man. Man, with the plan.
That's good.
What's up?
Nice, man. Real nice, man. Yeah, you just get it all right. Yeah, man. I let him drive it to school. Pretty good. Truck is coming in there.
So who you got?
Huh?
Who you got on the hood, man?
Come on, you can see for yourself. Oh, you in poverty.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can see for yourself.
Because, man, people say you got on fake TRX, man.
Boss, I done never wear nothing fake. From the rolling straight down. I never wear nothing fake. 702 horsepower. Right? Yeah.
See car there, man.
That's truck. I'm saying car.
Truck.
Ain't nothing fake. Ain't nothing fake. See man pull up the other truck sneezing? You already know. I don't know who's cleaning your car for you, but you need to get
Yeah,
him a raise.
they.
I don't know who's cleaning your car for you, but you need to get him a raise. You can't see nothing much under all the police and stuff on them.
You can see it from here, though.
Yeah. You can see it, man.
Yeah.
You see it, bro?
Yeah, we see it, man. You ain't got to pull it up.
If you ain't see the Raptor eating the flicking, the TRX eating the Raptor, that ain't the real one.
Yeah, man. Right.
I don't know what the fuck
I didn't even see that. They did
you see it
too.
on the side here. So we can drive this for a little while until I buy something else. You good now? I can rather make good on my promise?
Yeah.
Alright then. As long as you're not making good on my promise. Wait! Alright then. Then you got the best price.
Wala pull, man. Wala pull, man. That's all. Yeah.